my name is Ivo. I'm 41 years old and I'm from the Netherlands. And I just left the gym and I'm walking home now. In the last 5 years, I worked for Microsoft and media agency Karat as a media consultant. At Karat, I help many advertisers to promote their products. For example, Microsoft laptops and Adidas shoes. And we promoted those products on platforms like Facebook, Google and YouTube. But now I'm starting my digital nomad adventure. I'm launching my own business this Friday, and I will fly to Bangkok next week on Tuesday. And I will become a digital marketing consultant and furthermore also an email management trainer. The first 3 years of my life I went on holidays with my parents to a house in the woods, and when I became 4 years old I went with my parents and with my brother to France. About 20 years ago, it was not really common to go on holidays without your parents. But nowadays, more and more kids go on camps like the Buddy New Me camp to enjoy their holidays without their parents. I would have traveled more outside Europe to discover more countries and more cultures. I'm really excited and I'm looking forward to meet you all there and do some fun activities together. The best way to learn English is just to try it and practice. It doesn't matter if you make any mistakes, because you will learn from those mistakes. Furthermore, by traveling around the world or to other countries, you will find out what you like and what you dislike, and it helps you to improve your English. So, if you wanna join the Buddy New Me or the Buddy Backpacker to Penang, just subscribe and go there, then we can meet there. I will make sure I will bring you some Dutch cookies and sweets. I just arrived at home and I see you there. See you later. Bye bye.